What's up, friends and family of the YouTube community? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're talking on the topic of investing in yourself, right? Feeding your mind. Why it's important to dedicate your life to a never-ending journey of self-improvement, right? Because life is gonna come at you guys. Adversity is gonna happen. Negative things are gonna happen. You're gonna face struggles, right? Your family members might die. Your friends might die. Your coworkers might die. You might lose your job. You might go bankrupt. Someone might come in and steal your money. You might lose your leg. You might lose your arm. A lot of bad things can happen, right? But that's why you gotta feed your mind. You gotta stand guard at the door of this guy right here. This guy needs to be sharp, right? When you're facing adversity and your mind isn't sharp, you don't look at it the right way. It's the perception of reality that's more important than reality itself. Meaning, if you're facing adversity and you don't go in the right mindset, you're gonna think that life is happening to you. But what's important to realize is life is always happening for you, right? You have to be able to fall in love with adversity. Your adversity becomes your greatest advantage in life. Use your pain. Your pain is a tool for you to grow stronger. Every day I go in the gym, I love pain because I learned to fall in love with pain and adversity, because those are the only two needles that will move that needle. Those are the only two things that will move the needle of life, right? Because if you fall in love with success, you let the success define you. You don't define the fucking success. You don't define the success. It's very, very important to realize that, guys. Feeding your mind, what does that mean? That means investing in tapes. It's going to seminars. I know seminars are fucking expensive, but do it for your fucking self. Don't do it for anyone but your fucking self, right? If you guys are young, start going to seminars. When you're around an environment when other people are being put in that peak state, you get more breakthroughs. You get more ideas, right? More ideas meaning more breakthroughs for your life. What else is really important is reading books, right? I fucking love reading books. Books are like a cheat code to life. The more books you read, the smarter you become. Intelligence, but you gotta be able to execute. So intelligence plus action equals execution. You gotta be able to use that intelligence towards build something towards greater than yourself, right? Leaving a legacy, building your character, focusing on your vision, your mission statement, trying to contribute to something that's greater than yourself, right? Aside from tapes and books, seminars, I fucking love audiobooks, man. That's like a fucking cheat code. That's like Game Shark, right? That's like me playing Game Boy, playing fucking Pokemon, and then I find out I got the Game Shark, so I can get infinite rare candies, right? And you guys who watch Pokemon, you know what I'm talking about. Get rare candies, boost your Charizard, your Blastoise, your Articuno, your Zapdos, your Moltres, your Mewtwo, right? All at level 99, and you beat the game. That's the great thing about audiobooks, guys. Audiobooks and motivational videos are great because you can listen to them in your net time, right? What is that? That's no extra fucking time. When you're driving your fucking car to work, you're bored as shit, you feed your mind, right? Feed your mind with mental protein that's good for your body and your soul. You feed yourself every day with positive self-talk. When people doubt you, you say, fuck you guys, man, I can do it and I will. Every day when I'm in the gym, guys, I work out for one thing. It's my belief. The belief in what I can do, the belief in my potential, the belief of where I'm going to become one day, right? When I'm in the gym, I'm always put in that peak state, right? Tony Robbins talking about being a peak state. A peak state of mind, meaning every day you commit yourself, right? You say, this is who I am. You decide who you fucking are, and you cut off all ties, right? If you guys want to take the island, you got to burn the fucking boats, right? Burn the fucking boats and don't leave anything behind. So going with that, it's good to invest in audiobooks. I'm pretty sure Amazon has that program where you can buy audiobooks. I just did I was trying to be cheap, so I did the free trial. I got my 2 free audiobooks and I canceled afterwards, right? So I didn't want to pay for that shit, but I'm broke right now, so I have to do that. I think what else you guys need to do? Tapes. That's kind of old. CDs and tapes. I invest in tapes and CDs. I don't give a fuck, right? I'll buy anything that I think can build this guy. I told you guys, I've invested thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, right, to this guy right here. But you guys don't realize is you got to look at it as an investment. The dollars you invest today will pay off for millions in the future, right? And also, too, the hours you put into developing yourself today will turn into buy you the freedom that you need later in life. And the most important thing, guys, is realize this: your adversity is your biggest advantage. It's your greatest advantage. Use it, man. to use it as weapon, turn that shit into ammunition, and beat the shit out of other people, right? Aside from using your adversity, using pain, right? Pain is a great tool. Like, people who go in the gym, right? They're like, oh fuck, I'm gonna go fucking work out, right? And they're like a little pussy. They do like one set, they're like, oh shit, I can't do no more. Don't be like that, guys. Come on, you can do more than that. You can, when you push yourself so hard, right? Man, I'm telling you, when you push yourself so hard in the gym, you fail every set, every rep you go to failure, every set you go to failure. You fail over and over and over and over again, and then you finally build that fortitude, that confidence, that experience in yourself that you won't fail in real life, right? That's why I'm so driven. I'm so motivated. I don't need no one else to inspire me. I'm inspired by myself. I can motivate myself. I can inspire my own state. It's so important, guys. So, topic of today: invest in yourself. I'm sorry about the quality of this video. I dropped my phone in the toilet like 3 weeks ago. That's why I haven't recorded any videos. And when I dropped it in the toilet, my front camera phone broke. So I can't shoot from the front no more. And my phone was out for a while, so that's why I haven't shot videos. But I'm broke as shit right now. But I'm on the process of investing in a new iPhone, right? Once I build my credit score up a little bit, I'll invest in a better iPhone, and I'll be able to shoot better videos for you guys. And I promise to, I will work on the spinning. I just get too excited, I get too riled up, I keep spinning over and over again. I'm sorry, alright? So, topic of today: invest in yourself, feed your mind. Feed your mind every minute of the day, every hour of the day. You feed your mind with good health, mental, nutritious protein. Alright? Until the next time, guys. See you later. Peace out.